We have this matter that came to us in 2020, and I will call it JOO versus MBO. As you know, in family matters, we use abbreviations. We do not use the full names of the parties to ensure that they maintain the privacy of, some of these cases, all the personal details and issues come out. So in terms of how the law reporting is done, it's done with abbreviation, and also the media are not allowed to carry names in full unless the parties have waived the right and have said that their names can be disclosed. So in this case, the appellant and respondent, the appellant was the gentleman and the respondent was the wife, were married under Abagusi customary law in 1990. And in 1995, their union was formalized under the Marriage Act. During the subsistence of the marriage, both of them acquired their matrimonial home in Embakasi, and they also constructed some rental units. The marriage then broke down and it was dissolved. So they went to the High Court, and the High Court, using the principles in Sharia versus Sharia, which talks about contribution of each party, awarded the gentleman 30%. No, they awarded the wife 30% of her matrimonial home and 20% share of the rental units. She was aggrieved and went to the Court of Appeal. The Court of Appeal assessed her beneficial interest and gave them 50-50 equally. It then came to the Supreme Court. Now, in the Supreme Court, ordinarily, we would not listen to such a matter. Such a matter ought to just end at the Court of Appeal. However, they did raise the issue of equality under the Constitution, with the husband saying that the equality in the Constitution does not mean that the property is divided equally. So we made a decision in this. We did dismiss this appeal. We upheld that the 50-50 distribution was the correct one. But we did say that the equality in Article 45 of the Constitution does not apply to matrimonial property. It applies to the rights that one has, but will not apply to matrimonial property, and that matrimonial property will be done on the basis of contribution, and it will be done case by case. So every case has its different way, contributions are different. So the courts below us have to check each case by case and consider the contribution that was made. And in this particular case, we accepted that the 50-50 ratio had been done correctly.